Good morning. Welcome back to Sheldon's Gardening Tips, your complete DIY guide for everything lawn and garden care. Now, this is just going to be a short video of me trimming the edges of my lawn using my power rotary scissors. Okay, so I've completed the trimming of the edges. Not for all the lawns, but just for a portion of it. You may have noticed while I was going along, I was also cutting close to the curves with the tool, because the reason why I do that is because when the lawnmower is used to cut the lawn, the blades don't go all the way to the end or to the edge of the lawnmower. So in terms of the width, the blades don't go the full width of the mower. So when you cut close to the edges, the blades of the mower won't cut those sections close to the edge. So that is why the tool has to be used to clean up the edges. So the next step is to blow the cuttings onto the lawn. Then later on, I'll be using the rotary mower to suck them up. And I'll be giving the lawns a cut, either today or tomorrow. So stay tuned for the process of blowing the cuttings from the walkways. Okay, so that is where I will end this video for today. I will be cutting the lawns off camera throughout the course of the day. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in future videos.